This is the UnBrush. These are absolutely not just plastic brushes. These are super lightweight. The bristles are so bendy in a good way, and it doesn't feel like you're going to rip your hair out of your scalp. They do what they're supposed to do. They untangle, they unknot, and they undo. This is with the vented design, it makes it feel more like a real tool than a random brush that you hate in like 5 minutes. Why I like these. It gets through those knots, as I said, untangle, unknot, and undo. And you don't hear that ripping your hair out sound that has you questioning the brush. The bristles flex instead of snagging the hair, so you're not ripping it out of your head. Works well on wet hair, works well on dry hair, and I keep coming back to these. I keep picking these up, but if you've got tangly hair, thick hair, curly hair, kid hair, teen hair, or I washed it hair, or bird's nest hair, this is the brush that makes it manageable. It detangles fast, and it's so much more gentler than it looks, which is actually the whole point, okay? Highly recommend these UnBrushes. The opinions in this review are mine, and the product was provided by the brand.